Hello there. If you do get some clear skies in the next few hours, you may be treated in the north to the northern lights. But the story really is one of cloudy skies for the majority. We've had some really intense showers during the course of Friday. We've got Saturdays of low pressure brewing up, and we've got rain anyway moving across Northern Ireland into parts of mainland UK as well through the rest of the night. So it's a very unsettled picture. We're due another 50 to 100 millimetres of rain on already saturated ground with high river levels. The concerns really are there for flooding. So one band of rain moves its way swiftly eastwards and deteriorates to showers. So it gradually gets a little drier. The showers diminish in the north. There might be some early morning mist and fog that clears away. But I think on the whole, the afternoon today looks a little bit drier, brighter, and it'll feel warmer than the morning, but looming large towards the southwest, the next band of intense rain. Now, there's some tropical air mixed in amongst this area of low pressure. So as we saw early in the week, the potential is there for torrential, persistent rain to move its way in across England and Wales, possibly parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. As well as the rain this time, it's a batch of strong winds again, gale force winds. But because we have a new moon, a full moon during the evening and overnight, that will allow high tide, so we could see some coastal flooding as well. And it's a similar problem as we go through Sunday. The rain only slowly easing away. There's strong winds buffeting many areas. A northerly wind sets in for Scotland and Northern Ireland. So perhaps here escaping the worst of the rain, but it starts to feel colder. And then as those north or northwesterly winds then set in, it looks as if they'll have a sting in their tail. We could potentially have a spell of gales then later on Sunday across Wales and England. And if they hit the east coast at the same time as the high tides, that could also cause some coastal inundation, because it does look as if it'll be a very strong and gusty northwesterly as well, or northwesterly. So some very inclement weather due over the weekend. So clearly there are warnings out. Those are on the websites, but it's for the heavy rain that could lead to further flooding, flash flooding, as well as potential river flooding, gale force winds, as well as those high tides. As for the new week, well, it gets colder and it remains unsettled. There may be a brief respite from the rain, but it's a basically unsettled picture. Bye-bye.